Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Perliza Alikacinovian and I'm from Vocational High School Muhammadiyah Cikampek. Hello and hi. In case you want to know a little bit more detail about me, is that I love reading, especially fairy tales. Isn't our childhood once filled with adventures and beautiful imaginations? Now, let me have the honor to tell you a magical story. Let's swim into it. In a big city, there's a young boy named Archie, a curious and bright 7-year-old boy with one glaring obsession video games. He could spend hours glued to the TV, maneuvering pixelated heroes through fantastical worlds. His mother often scolded him for neglecting his homework and chores. Archie, get off that game! You're going to rot your brain! She shouts, feeling exasperated. But his father Isaac always stayed quiet, a knowing smile tugging at the corners of his mouth. Let him be, Isaac would say. She will come for him eventually. Archie had no idea who she was, but he didn't care. He was too busy battling enemies to pay attention to his parents' conversations. Archie has constantly disliked swimming. The memory of him being mocked during swimming lessons for his sluggish strokes still burned. His classmates had laughed, calling him Sunfish Archie, making the nickname stuck. And ever since, he avoided water whenever possible. One afternoon, his parents left him home alone. His mother gave strict instructions to Archie. Take a bath before you get back, Archie. You have been sitting there all day and stink. Yeah, Archie mumbled, not looking up from his controller. He reluctantly turned on the tap in the bathroom, but got distracted by the final boss fight in his game. Hours passed, and he only realized his mistake when he heard water sloshing into the living room. Panicked, Archie ran to the bathroom. The door was bulging outward as if something massive was pressing against it. Hesitating for only a moment, he yanked it open and was immediately struck by a tidal wave of water. Archie tumbled through the deluge, spinning and gasping. The water seemed endless, yet he wasn't drowning. His ears rang and his vision blurred until, suddenly, the rushing sensation stopped. He found himself lying on a sandy ocean floor beneath a sky of shimmering water. Glowing fish darted around towering coral structures. What? What is this? Archie muttered, scrambling to his feet. His heart pounded as he turned in every direction, trying to make sense of his surroundings. He touched his neck and realized he could breathe, despite being completely underwater. Then he heard a haunting melody, like a song pulling at his chest. He saw a shadowy figure gliding through the water. A woman with flowing hair and piercing eyes. Her voice was both beautiful and terrifying. Ugh! Who dares enter my domain? The figure hissed, her voice wrapping around him like seaweed. Who are you? I am Lilith, the queen of the ocean depths. Before Archie could respond, two figures darted toward him with a rush. Get away from her! The boy yelled, grabbing Archie's arm and pulling him away. They looked humans but had sleek, fish-like tails and patterns that shimmered across their skin. I'm Lionel, he said quickly. And this is my sister Vetria. We will explain everything later. Just swim! Archie tried to swim, but his strokes were awkward and slow. I can't swim fast, he shouted, fear rising in his throat. Then its sound grew louder, filling the water with an eerie vibration. But suddenly, a powerful figure appeared. It's a man that Archie knows well. Dad? Listen to me, Archie. You can do this.
Do what? This is scary!
Isaac said. You're stronger than you think, Archie. She's just fear. Don't let her control you. The battle with Lilith was fierce. Her voice conjured illusions that made the water swirl with darkness. But Isaac stood firm, shielding Archie whenever the siren lashed out. Archie remembering his father's word, using a glowing conch that Wynell had given him. With bravery, he swam forward and trapped Lilith's tongue inside. And then her form dissolved into harmless bubbles. The ocean world brightened, and Archie turned to his father, grinning.
Dad, we did it!
I knew you could, son, Isaac said. Now, and you ever need a hero, just look in the mirror, Archie. And so, for the rest of his life, Archie always thought that his father is the best hero he ever knew. A hero to Archie's world. The end. Thank you so much for the honor given to me so I could tell you my story. And the meaning behind Archie's adventure is that past traumas that caused by little mistake might have hurt our feelings deeply. But to move on in life, we need to step with optimism and throw away the fear. And I end my performance with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.